YouTube? This Kersey here with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. I'm actually showing again some more live content with me actually doing some work here. I am actually, because that generator is so much larger, I'm looking to increase the existing vent from 12 by 12 inches to 16 by 22 inch vent. This is a lot of content, so I'm going to speed it up here for you. Here I'm just showing just a close-up of how I use that circuit reset. Everything's on point. Everything's looking flawless as it should.
Just gotta come back and knock these out.
That oscillating